Hey guys, welcome back. I am going to continue on my travel series. I know I have promised you guys. I know there was a delay with my shoulder being dislocated, so I am here to continue that series. So I had told you guys I will shoot a video on my toiletry bags and my facial bag together, and then I will continue the series with the roll-on, how I pack my roll-on, and my check-in bag, and then the makeup bag. So today I am going to do what's in my toiletry bag. So I have two bags. This is the one that I use for just my facial stuff, and this is what I use for my toiletry, for like my hair and shower and body. This is the bag that I use, and I keep my facial stuff separately because I do facial care in the morning, in the evening, in between. So you know, I like to have it separately, and I usually do my facial care at the sink, and you know, I don't necessarily have to take it to the shower, so that's why I keep it separately. So these two bags, I will show you how I pack it when I travel. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So before we start, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you do enjoy this style of video, please give me a thumbs up. So let's just get started. So I got this from, I think, Target, and I love this because not only it's clear that I get to see what's in it, it's nice and wide, so it gives me, like, you know, the option of standing my product up. So I'm gonna go through what I use in the order how I use my stuff. So I have this Clinique take the day off balm. I have a big container. I have transferred it into their sample container. I am in a hunt for the travel size Take the Day Off by Clinique, the makeup removing balm. I have transferred some in here, and for now this is what I'm using until I find the travel size of it, or a bigger container that I could, you know, scoop it. You don't have to buy the travel size. Usually it's not worth it to spend that money. If you have a container, you could transfer some product from your larger product into the smaller one. So that's what I have done. I like to do double cleansing, so that's how I take all my makeup off first, and then I go in with the cleanser to wash. And the cleanser that I have in my travel bag is by Origin, and it's Check and Balance for Frothy Face Wash. And I absolutely love Origin product. My eventual goal is to have all my skincare to the Origin brand, and just, you know, have the travel size for it. So I love this. So I have a facial wash, and then I go in for a toner. This is a really nice toner. It's by Water and Raw apple cider, and it's really nice. It stinks though, but it's really good for your face. And I got this, I think, at Target, and it's by SW Basics. I think that's what it's called. So that's the toner. And then I have, so right after the toner, what I do is I always have to lip scrub. And I love this e.l.f.'s lip scrub because it's like a little tube, and this is almost out, but I have to get a new one. I like to, because I have dry skin, so my lips get really dry, so I have the lip scrub. And then the next thing I do is serum, and the serum that I'm lately been using is the Oil of Olay serum, regenerative serum, and I really enjoyed this one. And then I happen to find the travel size serum. I use different brands, but this is what I happen to have right now. And then I go in with eye cream. So I happen to have this Clinique Prep Start eye cream, and I've been enjoying it. It's really nice and cooling, and I love the tip, and it's very smooth and round, so you could really get in there and put it, and then I dab it with my finger. So this is the eye cream that I'm using. For travel size, I just use, because I get a lot of samples, so I just use the samples and use it up like that. This is how I use up my samples. But you know, in my everyday skincare, I will use the product that I, you know, like and I'm trying out and stuff like that. For travel, I just throw in whatever I get, I guess. And then after the eye cream, I use a moisturizer, and the one that I love is by Mario Badescu, and this is Hydro Moisture with vitamin C. Now guys, vitamin C is really good for your skin, and it really like brightens your skin, and it's really healthy, and it's a lightweight non-oil based moisturizer, and I love this moisturizer. And then I have at night, some days when I have extra oil, or I mean extra dry skin, I use this bio oil. And I've talked about this bio oil many times in my channel. I absolutely love this. All it takes is like 2 or 3 drops, and then you just dab it all over, and it sucks in really fast, and it keeps my skin nice and supple and hydrated. So I really love this. So I always, especially when you travel, your skin is so dry, so I always carry that. And then I have extra hydro gel by Neutrogena. So this is just like an extra step that I do right before my makeup. I would put this on just for an extra layer of hydration. And once in a while when I'm traveling, I don't do it too often, I do a mask. So I have a little Origins charcoal clear improvement active charcoal mask to clear pores. So doing a mask at least once when you're traveling is really beneficial, because when you're traveling, you're exposing your skin to a new environment, new pollutant, and your skin tends to produce more oil and more factors to fight those allergens. So your skin gets drier faster and your pores get clogged faster. So it's good to like take that off and give your skin a break. So I always carry a mask, and I also carry a hydrating sheet mask, which I don't have in here, which, after you take off all that stuff from your pore, you want to hydrate it and replenish your skin back. And of course, when you're traveling, a must is sunblock, and this is aqua rich. This is not greasy, this is not sticky, this is water based, and this is so beautiful. This has 50 SPF, and you don't even feel like you're wearing a sunblock. So that's the other thing that I carry. And this is by Mario Badescu. It's a facial spray with aloe, herb, and rose water. This is what in the plane, so this bag I will usually keep it with my bag or my roll-on that I have it in the plane. And this is something that I constantly use. I'm spraying constantly to my face. It has a nice mist, and I'm constantly, and it smells like rose. And this, not only psychologically it helps you hydrate your skin, and it's almost like a treat for your skin when I'm traveling. If it's a long flight, I love this. Just the extra moisturizer. I use it as a setting spray to make my foundation and my powder melt together. Many different uses, and I love this Mario Badescu. I have large size of 2 also, and I really like this spray. And I also carry some micellar water, so when the balm, if it runs out, I also have this option to get a cotton pad and just take off my makeup, or to correct my makeup mistakes that I do. So I always have, and Simple is one of my favorite brand in the micellar water. So of course I have this perfume. I always carry some kind of perfume, and this is those bullets that you put your regular perfume and then you press it and fill this up, and you could use any of your current favorite perfumes and have a sample of it all the time. I believe I have I think this is the Gabbana Blue, and I love this perfume. So any perfume, I have like 3 different ones. Sometimes I would, if it's a long trip, I would carry 3 of them, and it's small size, so you could also keep it in your purse to take it in the plane. So as far as the toiletry bag, I use this, and this is how it looks. It has 1, 2, 3 compartments, and here I use all the shower stuff, and it has a hook, so you could hook it up to your bathroom door or wherever it is. So this is where you put my shampoo, conditioner, soap, stuff that I would use it in the shower. So all I have to do is just unzip this, and I love the fact that this is nice and wide. And I'm gonna go through the stuff in here. I'm just gonna quickly just mention stuff. I don't have any favorite or non-favorite. I just put whatever travel size I have. So I have the Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner, shampoo and conditioner in there. And then I always have a container with soap. I like soap bar because it lasts longer, and if you have long trip, you could also use it to quickly wash your shirt or whatever, you know, clothes sometimes. You could also use that. On top of it, I do have the Oil of Olay liquid soap. So that's an extra soap that I have. Nivea, my favorite, one of my favorite lotion to have, body lotion. And of course, deodorant and a body splash from Bath and Body Works. And this is Twilight Wood, and one of my favorite ones. And then I have some cotton rounds that I could use for my micellar water, and then cotton balls also. And then I have some Q-tip. This container, I think I got it from Container Store, but if you don't have this container, what another idea is, what you could do is your pill bottles, if you finish the pill bottle, take off the label and it'll be clear, and then it's the size. You could put your cotton balls and cotton rounds in there. So basically this is the shower stuff, my lotion, soap, deodorant, my hair conditioner, shampoo, and that's about it. So the next compartment is right above this shampoo, conditioner, or shower stuff is this. So these have 1 and 2 pockets. In this pocket I just put miscellaneous stuff like the wet ones and nail polish remover. Guys, get these nail polish removers because you don't want to carry a bottle which will spill, explode, or you can take it to the TSA. These, one pad will clean up all your 10 nails for your nail polish removing. So, you know, if you're planning to go for 2 weeks, if you do nail polish like 2 or 3 times, take 3 of these or 4 of these. It's easier to carry. So I throw that in here, and this is some more of the, so I have like about 4 nail polish remover and like 4 wet ones just for, you know, emergency uses. In here I don't have anything, but I just usually leave it for when I'm in the shower or something. If I quickly want to put my razor or anything like that, I leave that open. And then there's a zipper over here in the back. I have some more hair stuff that I would normally use outside the shower. So I have a dry shampoo, and I have a leave-in conditioner. So I like to use the dry shampoo and leave-in conditioner together, so then my hair doesn't get too dry and flaky. And then I also have argan oil that I got this container from, again, from Target. And I just put from my big bottle of argan oil, I just transfer some in here. And I use this to, you know, tame my hair with frizz and stuff like that. And I rarely use hairspray and gel, but I have it in here anyway, just in case if I decided not to dry my hair and leave it curly and naturally, I would use that. So all the hair care product is in here that I would use outside the shower. And on the top pocket, I have basically my mouthwash, my chapstick, my toothpaste, and toothbrush. And then I also have my razor, and I have a big toothpaste. I like to get this size of a toothpaste better because then you don't have to carry multiple of this. So, and then of course I have my floss. So all the oral care goes up on top. Then I have a empty contact case, some hand sanitizer. You could never have enough of that. And then I have this gadget thing that has a nail clipper, eyebrow tweezer, and a nail filer, and a little scissors. So it just comes in a little packet that I throw it in here. So then, you know, if I have to pluck my eyebrows and, you know, cut the hair or something like that. And that's it. So this compartment has like some miscellaneous and oral care. So that's it. So this is the bag. And then what happens is you fold this over, and then there's the string that you put it around. So it gives you some flexibility of putting it into the suitcase different ways, and it fits a lot of stuff. So that's my toiletry bag, and this is my facial product bag, I guess. So that's all, guys. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. God bless.